Welcome to part 4 of the data selection tutorials. This part looks at the different ways data items can be selected in the new data selection window introduced in Pronto 6.0. Before we start, I'll just add a layer of grouping so I'll be able to show how folders affect item selection. There are many ways to select one or more items using either the mouse or the keyboard. To simply select or deselect a single data item, click anywhere on the line. If the items are being grouped and so are within a folder or hierarchy of folders, you'll see that the change of selection is also updated for the folder or folders. To select an entire folder, click on the folder item. Note that double-clicking on a folder item expands or collapses it. To select an item or folder using the keyboard, use the up and down arrow keys to navigate to the item of choice, and then hit the spacebar to toggle the selection state. There are several ways to select multiple items in one go. Firstly, you can hold down the left mouse button and drag the box across the data streams to select. Note that if you drag over a folder, the entire folder is selected, as if you were clicking on that folder. To deselect a group, start the drag on a previously checked item and it will be unchecked, as will all other items in the drag box. Alternatively, you can select a group of items by clicking the first item in the group, holding down the Shift key and clicking the last item in the group. All items in between will be selected. To deselect a group in this way, keeping the Shift key down, click again on the last item. This toggles the checked state of all the items in the group. You can also use just the keyboard to select a group. Use the up and down arrow keys to navigate to the first item in the selection. Then hold the Shift key and navigate to the last item in the group, again using the up and down keys. As you can see, the group items are highlighted, i.e. they have the blue boxes around them, but not checked yet. When you've highlighted the whole group, press the spacebar to toggle the checked state of all the items in the group. Now note, you cannot select a group of streams in the main list and a group of favorites at the same time, so the selected list stops or starts at the start of the favorites. Finally, it should be added that the standard Windows keyboard shortcuts can be applied to folders. For example, with the focus on a folder item, if you press the right arrow key or the plus key, the folder will be expanded by one level. Conversely, if you press the left arrow key or the minus key, the folder is collapsed. And pressing the asterisk key on a collapsed top-level folder will expand that folder and any subfolders within it. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial.